Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I'm sorry about the glare on my glasses. I just got them. I'm going to do my Halloween Advent for day 10, and let's get started. So here is day 10, and this one is Paw Ply. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, and here we go. Burr, burr, burr. Oh, there you go. That's gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? Look at the depth of colors. So this is for the Paw Ply, and day 10 for Lather. And we'll get this one out. We'll see if I can get it out. What's in the box? So, here we go. Got both of these out. Collapse my box and set it to the side. Okay, so here is the yarn. There we go. That's very pretty. Here we go. There's the yarn. And here is the sticker. And there it is. So that shows you what the stitch marker is going to be tomorrow. So, let me pull out from my handy dandy skull some Paw Ply yarns and show them to you. Let's get some of these out. It's going to get harder and harder to hold these things. Oh my. Alright. And today's. So here are 10 skeins of Paw Ply. There they all are. They are outstandingly gorgeous. Look at those. They are beautiful. They look even better with my glasses on. And then here are the Lather ones. Let's get my Lathers up. Alright. And here are Lathers. Here they are. Okay. Just put them back in there. And I hope you enjoyed seeing this. Alright. Hope you enjoyed seeing them. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. See you tomorrow. Bye now.